So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on the repost notifications here on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, go to the bottom right and press on your profile. Once you're on your profile, go to the top right and press on the two horizontal lines right above where your profile picture is. Then press on where it says notifications or the bell icon. Then press on where it says threads and replies. Scroll all the way down until you come across reposts. Now for me, it actually already is turned on, so I have from everyone highlighted, but let's just say, for example, it's either from people you follow or from off. To turn it back on, you can either press from people you follow or from everyone, and there you go. That is how to turn on repost notifications here on Threads. Hope that this video helped.